Hello my beautiful besties, welcome back to my channel. We're working today with some Yayoge Builder Gel in Cover Pink, and I have two fully finished nails ready to decorate and two that we're going to decorate together. Well, we're going to decorate them all together, but we're going to build a couple of them together. And what we're going to start with is some Model 1's black on both of these nails, and we are going to do some encapsulations. I just wanted to do a really fun set for a fancy witch who is ready to party on Halloween and is tired of the traditional Halloween colors. So we're going to do green and purple, which totally give me Wicked vibes. You know, the musical and book Wicked. I totally get those vibes from this set. So these are going to be our Halloween Wicked nails. And we're going to go ahead and cure these up, and then we're going to come in with some colored chrome powders. We're going to use the purple, which, tell me that is not a gorgeous purple. Purple is my favorite color, and I absolutely love this purple chrome. And then with that, of course, we're going to add the green and give us that green and purple witch vibe. And look at that, the two jeweled colors together. It's like emeralds and amethysts. Ooh, I love, love, love the combo. And definitely doing it on stiletto nails was a must for a witch. So we're just really working that in, especially up there at the top, because you don't want any spots that the black shows. You really want to get that chrome very saturated all the way up the side there. And now I'm going to use my finger to just burnish that in, just to really rub it in and make sure it's very, very shiny. Now, ooh, my nose is a little today. Honestly, I'm a little today. But we are going to go ahead and paint the nails. We're going to start with one and then do the other. I'm going to paint it with this Yayoge Builder Gel Pink. And then we're going to come in with some green and purple mylar and green and purple micro beads and glitters. So, yeah, there's some green glitter in here too. And we're going to fill the nail up with juicy goodness. Juicy, juicy goodness. And off to the side, I've got some builder gel mixed with the pigments. So they're white, but with the iridescence of the chrome color, and we're going to do another couple techniques with that as well. One of them ended up being a mistake, and the other one ended up being how I wanted it, but we'll get there. And we're just continuing to add some little flotsams and jetsams and awesomes. And now I'm coming in on the other nail, and we're going to do exactly the same thing. Just paint it really, really thin, almost like you're adding a base coat. You just want something for your stuff to stick to, because we still have to encapsulate. So if you made this a really thick layer, when you go to file, all your stuff would get filed away. So you want, at this stage, you want all those layers to be really thin. We're going to add our structure with the pink builder, the clear pink builder gel that we encapsulate with, because we're going to encapsulate with that as well. Lots of beads, lots of glitter, lots and lots of mylars, just all kinds of shiny, awesome fun. And then we are going to pop it in the lamp as soon as we get satisfied. There's some of that green glitter, a little more over on the other nail. A little more purple. Okay, now we were satisfied. Now I'm making a mistake. When I do the second nail, you will see what I had intended to do, which I didn't do here. So what I'm going to end up doing is this one a little bit different than that one. I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate this. And with this practice hand, she's got a really deep well. So you just really want to push that builder gel up into that little area to make sure that it looks nice and even. It is a little bit of a waste, but the thing about yayoge is that it's not very expensive, so it's beautiful to practice with because, right, it's a nice, beautiful price, and it's easy to work with. Now I'm coming in with that gel that I made with the pigments, and I realized while I was encapsulating that I had made the mistake. So what I decided to do was just put some on there and then sort of dry brush it across the nail to give sort of a milky quality to the look, which I like. I'm still not happy that I made the mistake, because what we're going to do now is what I had intended to do, which was really just to drag it in little sections and strings and areas to give almost a swirly kind of foggy look. So it's two different kind of foggy looks, but I prefer the second one, and I wish I hadn't made the mistake on the first nail, but we live and learn. You will have to let me know when we get done here which is your favorite, because they're both cute. It's not like it's not cute. I'm not mad at the nail. But it just goes to show that it is important to slow down and consider the step you're doing so you don't make mistakes like these. So that's why I just am owning up to the fact that it was a mistake. I could have just lied and said, okay, this one we're going to do a little different, this one we're going to do this way, because, you know, I planned it that way, but it's not, it's a lie. So I'm not ever going to lie to you guys. When I make a mistake, I think it's important to share those things. So it's a mistake. It's a pretty mistake. It's a mistake I can live with. I'm just coming in with a little more structure on this nail because it just really felt a little too flat up there. And I know it's a practice, so the structure isn't the most important thing. I'm doing this, you know, for the prettiness for the channel. But it is important for my skill level to continue to try to do these things the best that I can and to make the structure the best that I can. So if I'm going to be sculpting anyway, I might as well try to do it right. So now we're just coming in here with just a tiny bit more there at the apex. And I think that I'm pretty satisfied with these. Of course, they still do have to be filed, but I'll be doing that off camera because I know you guys know that's hard to do on camera. So now we are going to go ahead and start decorating these other nails. And that is going to consist, that is going to consist of me painting both of these nails black. I don't think I actually left the second nail in of me painting it. I think I just show you this one. And then we're going to come back in and hit them again with those chrome powders. Yeah, I knew I didn't show you guys a whole bunch of the... It's a long video. I didn't want, you know, it to get too much longer. So we're going to go ahead and chrome these up, and we're going to reverse it. So this one's going to be the green at the top, purple at the bottom. And it's kind of an ombre, but not like a hard ombre because... Or it is a hard ombre. It's not a really good ombre. Because we're going to do one more little painty step on that. And so the blend isn't really going to show so much. I just wanted both colors on each nail. If you don't like the effect of that, you can absolutely just do like a green nail and a purple nail. So that would be equally as beautiful. And I did consider doing that, but I just thought I liked the idea of the two together and then the painting technique or shape. I wouldn't call it a technique, the shape that we're going to lay down here in just a minute. After we look at how pretty that green is, you guys. Purple is my favorite color, but that green just sends me to the moon. I'm telling you, I love it. I feel like there is a green chrome set coming up in my future soon. I'm not sure when. I actually don't have any ideas right now, so I need to do my right hand, or rather my left hand with my right hand. So now I'm just going to go ahead and top coat these. That way, if I happen to make a mistake with my painting and I need to clean it up, I don't ruin my chrome. And it gives me just a really smooth surface to paint on, right? Just kind of, if there's any texture, it fills that in. So now all we're going to do is follow that shape, and then I'm going to bring a line all the way down, and we're going to do that on both of the nails. This set is kind of halfway between simple and a lot. Does that make sense? Because we do still have one more thing we're going to add, and that's going to be, after we get the lining done here, we are going to add just a few clear crystals at the cuticle of the nails we're painting now. Because I just felt like they needed one more little bitty bit of something, right? Just something. There's a little fuzz there, a little fuzzy fuzz. Now I'm going in with the clear builder gel, and we're just going to go ahead and add those crystals. These are not Swarovskis, they are probably glass or something. I'm not sure. They came in something, in like a kit or something. And that's super cute, but I just thought, how about some little ones right on the edges? And, you know, I'm not upset I did it. I'm going to say more bling is better. And I did think about filling up that whole little triangle area, but then I thought, why did I go to all the trouble to make it green or purple, to make it different colors if I'm going to cover it? So, no, I didn't. And we're going to put 3 on this one, make sure it's all nice and cute. Cure it up, and now it is top coating time. And we're going to do these chrome ones first because you already see how shiny and pretty they are. So we're going to save the glittery, awesome-y ones for last. Because that's what you're still here for. If you're still here, it's because you want to see those nails. You want to see what they turned out like. And you're not going to be sad because they came out really cute. And here we go. These nails are definitely fit for the witch's ball on Halloween night, or Samhain, if you will, which is the roots of Halloween come from the Samhain festival, which is, it's Gaelic, right? It's from Ireland. And that area, that whole area, look how pretty that nail is. The set of nails would be fit for any wicked witch. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you are ready for your Halloween festivities. We will see you Friday for one last Halloween video. See you then, my little spooky, wonderful, glamorous squad. Mwah! Bye-bye.